YouTube, y'all know it was up doing up a spring pail, not a lot of what running out. And I got everything put me though, but I've been trying to get dirt on it all. So, you know, show y'all. But I got dirt on now. I already got this mount I bought off eBay. It went to an 8 and I don't think it might be a way to put it on here, just one. But I got it tight on there right now, and it's pretty good on there. Anyway, they really don't got a hot unit on it. I would, they might have somewhere, you know, high on me. I might buy it, might not. Anyway, it should do anyway. Here's the mask. Yeah, your high tap mask. So that'll be good. So I went really buy another one. So, you know, holding the BB. I already got 32 in it right now. I already came with 36 man. I got there. That what came with that belt there. And anyway, that what I done one now. Try to the white though, and they should do it away. And they're black. They're, you know, kind of hard to see. Anyway, here we go. Oh yeah, I'll tell you what it came with. It came with a bag. You know, what it done. I got right here and get here. That two door on at the front or side. And you just get it out and it just one big pot, so it don't got no pot inside the top. Anyway, melt dirt on it, you can't really melt it on. So I tie the thing out of it. I don't know what that thing went. Might buy it away, it might not. Either way, Anyway, just come back. Put this button. You turn there, it walk in. See, you turn it back, it unwalk. I got told that this thing torn. You know, cheap. Tunnel. I didn't saw it. Here we tight. Right here. It's like you do like 18, you know. Down. And then on top of this tunnel right here. You just put it down. See, that thing up, I don't tell you how to then get tight here. And I would do a blue in there, but I took it off and everything. See, I took it to the point, everything inside. I kind of decided not to do that, so get tight. And there might be a way to get on there without, get tight, but I don't know yet. It was tight up, just turn it. And it will only, I tie it though. Make it look flat. Well, so you go side. Really about the same both sides. They do. I think there might be a way to, put on there without get tight, but I don't know. Tight went to it. Yeah, I put it to 8 so I don't know. Anyway, I don't know. It wore it. Anyway. And I just set that it metal. I'll move y'all away though. By the way. Yeah, move it all metal. I don't build nothing on it to play it. Yep. It only $80 too, and it came with a sort that bad. It came with 2 bling pound annoying pill. I just usually play with shoot dust. They're not out at all. And it came with ain't two we call it, but it bling pound. I think BB, 12 bling BB. I don't know ones. Proton bling dust. Anyway, that plainly it. Here's the bot. And the bot didn't look like that when I started to well hat, just it got with that, so yeah. And that wing tank. Inside the pattern. See? See, that pan up. And that bag up. That up. Anyway, before I do, I want to say something about the tool I made today. Mom, we'll talk, boy. Out, he did it today. Well, made it right here today. Well, so we're tapping it down there, making my tart. I had these boil, sideways for the, kind of hard to shoot the tart that way. So I put that tart up so it won't dip wham down. I might have to beat it a little bit, Bill. That tart, anyway. But I like it. It was pretty cool, I think. Anyway. A little bit into this. It's bad. He bought the other day. I go out pulling with me. We don't even take that. I put on my back, be your pull every day. Now you plan on getting done. Bad too that put bad on it. Everything. Yeah. So then I selling that. Now the seal 2, bling. I plan on selling those two that way. Selling that. Barry Power pickle. That one I bling with the other name on there. That pickle, that kind of boat anyway. That seal 2 one. I take to you entire. I don't know you want it. This shit when proceeding to pit, he kinda did. Anyway. Y'all do want to share too. I got the fly right there. Boy, you want another fly? Okay. I might be able to turn down into on that. But anyway. Right.